Hey guys, it's Tuesday, and you know what that means? It's now time for our feature BMX review here on Feature Fight. Only on Harriet. Yeah, we're working on the title and the intro. Pero, yeah, this is not your ordinary bold review. This is Feature Fight, which is, I think this is a thing that DMX is starting to do with some of their Tuesday shows. They're trying to make some features. When I say features, ito ay yung mga lists like they're doing yung parang what culture. Yeah. Or yeah, we're gonna ano yun, what culture Viva Max. Cultaholic, yung mga ganun. Where they do lists na like top 10 girls love. Ayun, that's your what they go feature sa konsepto ng BMX. Now, if we're going to take a look at this feature for today, it is Kiss Kiss. Not to be confused with Kiss Kissan. Ayun. So, what is Kiss Kiss? So, other than being the song of Chris Brown, ayan. Di ba may kanta si Chris Brown? Kiss, 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 and then. Yun, di ba? Kiss, kiss. Eh, may ano, there are some guys here na kiss, kiss. This is like the VMX GL feature. It is starring Jara Laksamana and Micaela Ras, perfectly known for their features or their feature or their they are frequently featured sa mga girls love movies. And I believe this show ng BMX is actually encircling certain uh anong tawagin nun, certain ideas or certain movies. So, umiikot sila towards Kabitan, Palitan, X-Deal 2, Pinya, Baligtaran, Bed Spacer, Private Tutor, X, and Forbidden Desire. Ayun. So, mga nireview ko na yan dati pa. You can go look into my channel for their reviews. And then, hati sila in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different segments. And of course, may bonus bold sa dulo. So, punta tayo sa Labi sa Labi. This is their first feature. Labi sa Labi involves the movies Kabitan, starring Alessandra Cruz, Athena Red, Palitan, Jella Cuenca, and Carla Gonzalez, which is one of the first BMX movie, yung mga peak BMX entertainment yan dati, yung Palitan. Yung mga kapanahunan nung andyan pa yung mga nagdadala, sina Cara Gonzalez, sina Jella Cuenca. Remember Jella Cuenca? Siya yung sa yeah, nakakamiss, no? Nakakamiss si Jella Cuenca, eh. Di na natin na, di na natin siya medyo nakagilap, di ba? Di na siya nagka-project. She's on, I think she's on a different level now. Kung tutusin, I can't do dead list on this account. I'm sorry. Now, next is X Deals 2. Ito yung debut dati ni Angela Morena. Kasama niya si Rob Ginto. Debut as a featured artist. So, ito, kasi alam ko si Angela Morena, nagpakita yan sa, alam ko ang pelikulang, pelikula kung saan siya nagpakita ay sa Kinsenas Katapusan. Ayan, that's Angela Morena's cameo or first role. Kaso supporting siya. And then we go towards the end or towards X Deals 2. Kasama niyo si Joseph Elizalde dito sa si Rob Ginto. And sila yung magjowa dito. Si Rob Ginto sa si Angela Morena. She's in X Deal 2. This is her first starring role. Yan. And then we're going towards Pinya, which is ito yung may doble character si Angelica Hart. Akala natin si Candy Veloso ata Ay, di. Si Candy ata yung doble cara. Kasi may, ano eh, si Heart ba o si Candy? No, it's Heart. It's Heart na yung ano, yung dalawa. So, Pinya kasi is parang name ng karakter nila sa Pinya. Yung pinagsabi Pinya, kinabi sa puno. And then, si Candy, akala niya yung kinakanyod niya, kinakangkang niya na babae ay as is. Pero it turns out, nalaman niya, patay na yung babae na alam niyang may relasyon siya at ang Candy na hinahabol niya ay kapatid ng babae or kambal. It turns out, magkambal sila. Okay? Tapos na si Julian Richards. Yun. Then there's Baligtaran. Sky Gonzaga, who's going by the name Mira now. Don't ask. Bakit Mira? And then, their Apple D. Magaling umarte. Yan, Baligtaran, ito yung ito yung karakter ni Sky na nagre-reflect sa totoo niyang buhay na career as a DJ. Yan, labi sa labi kasi mga kissing scenes yung pinicture dito. Now, yung next, I think the next one na pinakita is mata sa mata. Okay? So, anong ibig sabihin ng mata sa mata? Hindi to tingin-tingin na yung ano yun, nahuli ka sa tingin, baka hanap-hanapin. Sa balahibong pusa, hindi. Namboboso to. So, mga Piting Thompsons to. Dalawa lang ang binigay dito na example na Jara Laksamana at Micaela Ras. Ito ay ang Bed Spacer na kung saan sumisilip si Burmas. Sinisilipan niya ay kina Ayla Cruz saka ni Arya Bench. Doon pala sila. So, if you want to recall, Arya Cruz and Bench, they are part of the Fantasia. Okay? So, this is yung Fantasia reigns ng Viva Max nun, ng DMX nun. Okay? Yung binigyan ng maraming binigyan ng pagkakataon yung mga Fantasia stars to show up. And then, Pinya, this is the scene na nakita nila, ang tawag doon? Nakita nila Angelica Hart sa ni Candy Veloso, kina Julien. Si Julien kasi yung senior nila sa CAT ata. So, nakita nila nakikipagtalik si Julian Richards. Di ko na siya nakita mostly sa BMX So, parang ito lang yung yung kanyang kanyang project sa Viva Max. Which is, maganda naman yung arte ni Julian dito. Medyo mataray lang. Yung kanyang boss. Diba? Alam ko ganun si Julian dito sa video. As may kasama siya, pangalan Raquel Gonzalez or something. Raquel Rodriguez. Yun. Rodriguez ata kasi walang Z. Yun.
The final act begins now.
Yun. Mata sa mata. Okay? And then next is kamay sa kamay. This is more of touching or how the kids call it, masturbation. Okay? So, this shows yung mga touch by touch scenes ng BMX throughout the years. Throughout the movies. Kamay sa kamay, we got Private Tutor. I reviewed that. Ito yung kay Christy Imperial. Okay? Sa kay Jara Laksamana, which is one of the hosts ng Kiss Kiss. And then there is scene from Baligtaran again, Apple D, Sky Gonzaga. Lagi natin nakikita yung Baligtaran dito. Wala pa sila nakita Girls Love. I mean, ando naman yung unang tikim, di pa Girls Love yun? Like, why can't they just na overexposed na yung unang tikim? Kaya ayaw na pakita. Well, hindi naman ako sana nagreklamo, pero andyan naman yung unang tikim para makita natin yung Yung talagang tikiman, di ba? Yun. Kabitan, ito yung pinakamatagal na eksena na pinakita eh. I swear, parang nireplay nila yung eksena dito eh. Kabitan, this is, yeah, Athena Red again, and Alessandra Cruz. Ano, there is an instance si Athena Red, medyo pinush. I like her role sa Pintor at Paraluman when she was yung parang part yung ano ba yung part niya doon? Siya yung espiritu ng canvas, di ba? Parang ano eh. Yeah, Pintor and Paraluman predated Clear Obscure Expedition 30 before before it even began. So, galing eh. And then, lastly, Hiwa sa Hiwa. Ito na yung nagkakangkangan talaga. Hiwa eh. Yung siya ng Hiwa, ari ng babae. Okay? Puday. So, Kabitan, X-Deal 2, Bed Spacer, and Pinya, yung feature dito. I think Bed Spacer 2 is Micaela Ras and Kristen Vermas. Oo. Yung, yung pagkakatanda ko sa Bed Spacer. Ayoko nung yung nito. Wala akong extra eyes. Okay. Bed spacer. Yeah, that's the bed spacer way. And then babae sa babae, they included 2 unique movies here. X, Yenny Boo, and Audrey Avila. I forgot anong parte ng X. Because X is a 3-part movie. It splits into part. Yan Dorano has to do different roles. And the last one is Forbidden Desire. I think ito yung isa sa mga roles ni Vern Kay where she is a madam. This is the start of Madam Vern Kay. Which is okay naman. Ayan. And then we get a treat, the bonus ball between Jara Laksamana and Micaela Ras. They've been teasing this throughout the whole show. Wala ito kay Atasca, no? Wala ito kay Atasca. Atasca did the Angelicang feature. Hindi siya nag-bold doon. Protektado na si Atasca eh. Baka kasi siguro singer na, di ba? Songer na siya. Kaya, nahiya na rin. Yun. But yeah, ang masasabi ko dun sa bold ni Najara Laksamana saka ni Micaela Ras, it's pretty mid. Okay? Pretty middle of the ground. Yun yung mid ko. Una, it's medyo maikli. Pangalawa, they hype it up but parang bitin. Maikli eh. So, nabitin ako. Okay? Which is very disappointing. Talaga. Talaga naman pag ko eh. Hindi ko trip yung naging bold nila. Yeah. So that's the all in all total review of a Kiss Kiss. We're back to our regularly scheduled BMX programming. By Friday, we have a bold review on Fridays with BMX. And we are going to take a look at what's the movie again? Come on, help me here. The movie will be Hiram. And this is Rica Gonzalez makes a return. So it's Rica Gonzalez and Cesc Garcia on Hiram. Diba? Tao-tao lang na nagtataka at nagtutukso rin. Hiram natin. Yun sa hiram. Okay? So, yeah. Thank you for watching. This is your boy, the God Gamer himself, Harriet. Like and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon for more of your bold review. Goodbye and good night. Bye.